Are you tired of endless paperwork slowing down your business? Meet airSlate SignNow, your all-in-one solution to streamline document workflows. Imagine sending documents for signing in seconds. With airSlate SignNow, you can integrate effortlessly with Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, and more. First, accelerate your work with Salesforce by leveraging existing data and templates. Experience quicker client approvals without the hassle. Next, improve collaboration with Microsoft Teams. Track document status and communication effortlessly, ensuring your team stays informed. Finally, simplify tasks with Dynamics 365. Create templates, send out contracts, and monitor changes in minutes rather than hours. What sets airSlate SignNow apart? It saves you valuable time and integrates seamlessly with your favorite apps. Ready to transform your workflow? Don't wait. Start your free trial with airSlate SignNow today and experience effortless document management.